Hey guys and girls, my name's Dan and welcome back to The Forge. In this episode of Trust Me, I'm a Blacksmith. Let's make a sledgehammer. So, milestone challenge. One sledgehammer in the style of my hand hammers. This was one hell of an exercise. I didn't realise how unfit I was, and I would have smashed this out in no time a few years ago, but yeah. So anyway, so I made this today out of bits of drive shaft. Yeah, however it is, piece of drive shaft. The end of this one, I upset it down a little bit and forged it into a sledgehammer. So I need to grind it up and make the handle for it. But yeah, enjoy the video and I'll see you on the other side. Right, I chopped the end off this bar. It's the bit with the splines in. And then I measured it, weighed it, and that gave me, per millimetre, there's 18.75 grams. Per millimetre, and then I just divided that by 5,000 grams, which is 5 kilos. That gave me a length of 266.666 millimetres recurring. I rounded that up to 270 mil because obviously we've got splines and stuff and whatever. So that's given me a bit of steel that's that long. So we'll chop that off. We'll weigh it, should be 5 kilos, and then we'll turn it into a sledgehammer. So where this does need some googly eyes, I'm fresh out of googly eyes. I'll get some next time I'm in the workshop and we'll scale up the googly eyes. We'll googly eye the scales up. Scale up the googly eyes.
Either way, I suppose.
And this is a bit of bar we just cut off. But I know I'm stopping it from rolling. A bit short anyway. So we pretty much bang on 5 kilos or none, depending on how you want to look at it. But yeah, so I'm pretty happy with that. Maths rules the day again. Kudos to plans and science and things. So yeah, we're going to make this into a hammer now, and hopefully the power hammer doesn't get too poorly whilst we're doing it. So see you in a bit. That's it. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Oh, that bit will do.
I've got it.
Yeah, go on. Whoa. Look at that. That's much better.
Come on, baby.
So that's how you make a sledgehammer. It took about 2.5 hours to make. Obviously I had to make the drift for the eye because the one we were using just wasn't going to cut it, and I realised I didn't have one, which is a bit silly. I should have made it before, but you know, on the fly and that. And also a bit of scale loss, and I had to cut the fish lips off. So I've lost a little bit of weight. So let's see how heavy she is now on this side. I'm going to pop her on there. Oh, she's so heavy. Oh. What we got? Just 4,450 grams, which is 4.5 kilos. And for you Americans, just shy of 10 pounds. So it's a 10-pound sledgehammer. That's pretty good going. I'm quite happy with that. Oh, it's quite heavy. So this is the size of a normal sledgehammer in the workshop. So she's a little bit bigger than a normal one, you know, but it's going to be one hell of a sledgehammer. I'm really excited to use it, and she came out real pretty, so that's nice. Yeah, so she came out real nice. I'm really impressed. I'm really pleased with it. These are the normal hammers that I make as well, so looking real good. Yeah, so thank you if you did subscribe and you were one of the first 500 subs. This little challenge is for you. I hope you enjoyed this. I've never made a sledgehammer before, it's my first time. I like working big, I really enjoy it. So for the next challenge, I'm going to make an anchor, a 10 kilo anchor. So when we get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to make, for the rest of this drive shaft, I'm going to make a 10 kilo anchor. It's going to be a 2-piece anchor. I hope you guys don't think that's too much of a cop-out. But yeah, it's going to be like the main shaft with 2 holes punched in and then a bar going through. I might make a shackle for it and then the actual anchor part at the bottom. We're heading to 1,000 subscribers really super quick, so that's really exciting. And then we'll go on from there, and every time we get to one of these milestones, I will double the figure every time, and that will be another milestone. To the next one after that will be 2,000. So yeah, if you like this video, please leave a like. I make videos as often as humanly possible. Hopefully now I'm going to pick up a bit because things are kind of leveling out a little bit. And I've had an absolutely amazing day today. I forget how much I enjoyed being here. And Dan was a little star, so he's really helped out. So subscribe if you like more content. Go over and check out my channel. There's how to makes. There's just everyday vlog stuff that I sort of get up to in the workshop, which is, you know, kind of interesting as well. There's some little tips and tricks in there that you guys might like to see. And I just do like videos like this one where I have a bit of fun in the forge and you watch me making stuff. Remember to ring that bell for notifications because it'll tell you when I do make a video. And chuck some comments down below. I love hearing from you guys and what you guys think of the channel and ideas for stuff I should be doing. Yeah, that's amazing. Thanks for watching, guys. I will stick a video up here for me making the original lot of hammers, and I'll stick a video down here for me, part 1 of fixing the power hammer. I don't know if you noticed, but she's fixed, sort of. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. See you later. Oh, I need to get down the gym or something. I'm absolutely knackered. I've forgotten how much hard work that was.